Kingdom of Cambodia. Phnom Penh is the capital city of Cambodia, with freedom from French colonization on November 9, 1953. The four ruling regions are Krung Phnom Penh, Krung Phai-Rin, Krung Kham, and another 21 provinces of 14.14 million population. Kingdom of Cambodia is ruled by the democratic parliamentary system, with the king as the head of the state under the Constitution. The Prime Minister is the chief administrator. The bicameral parliamentary system comprises of Supreme National Council and the Senate. Members of the Supreme National Council of not less than 120 persons are directly elected by the people for a 5-year term. There are 123 of them in 2014. Senators are of the highest number of 61 persons, or half of National Council members, divided in 3 sectors of the 2 appointees by the king, the 2 elected by the majority votes of the National Council, and 2 indirectly elected by 57 representatives from 8 areas of local administration organization for a 6-year term. The main political parties are Cambodian People's Party, National United Front for an Independent, Neutral, Peaceful, and Cooperative Cambodia, Cambodian National Rescue Party. The election is organized by National Commission Committee.